Let me teach you about plumbing. We've created an online plumbing school and I want to tell you about it right now.
I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you how to fix your plumbing fast and free. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything.
So let me teach you about plumbing. We've done research and we've seen other plumbing courses online, and I gotta tell you, they're not that good. They want to spend a lot of time teaching you bookwork about the history of plumbing, the theories of plumbing, the theories on hydronics. Guys, here's what I want to teach you. I want to teach you the basics that you need to know to walk in and get a job. And I know that sounds crazy, but I get people all the time leave me messages in here saying, look, I'm in high school, or I just got out of high school, or I'm just getting out of the military, and I want to learn plumbing. What do I do? It starts right here. We have put together a course that is going to teach you the basics of plumbing. And you may say, well, I'm joining the union. I don't need to learn the basics. Guys, when you join the union and they come in and bring you in for your interview, they're going to ask you plumbing questions. They're going to ask you what you know or what you want to learn from plumbing. The course that we've put together is going to teach you that. Here's the deal. We put this together because the people that walk in here and apply for a job, it would benefit me as a business owner if they knew something. The videos that we've made, the courses that we've made, actually teach you the basics of plumbing. And they teach you things like how to pull and reset a toilet, how to change a P-trap. Guys, there are a lot of things in this course that really, me as a company owner, I consider it the basics. Even things before that, how to read a tape measure, how to do plumbing math. Guys, it's really not hard if you learn it the right way. Some of these online courses are thousands of dollars. And all they do is they have a talking head up here that tells you what you need to do. I don't tell you what you need to do, I show you how to do it. And that is completely different. We've got our courses set up where, to be honest, what you got a minimum wage job for, you could pay for the course in a week. We've got an advanced course that we're looking at and we're working on right now that, to be honest, it would be what you would get paid if you got a decent plumbing job in the union as an apprentice. The things we teach you in this course are going to make you more valuable to your company. And I'm saying that because if you know how to do the things that I'm going to teach you to do in this course, you're literally going to be able to walk in and tell a business owner, look, I know how to do that. And when he asks you how, you're going to be able to tell him, look, I studied online, I've done it at home, because the things I teach you, I want you to do at home. I want to be able to show you how to do it, and if you've got that opportunity, you can do it at home so you know exactly what I'm talking about. I've looked at other courses online, they want thousands of dollars. It's not worth that. Me as a business owner, like I said, I really don't care if you know the history of plumbing. I really don't care if you know the theories and hydronics on water. I want you to learn basic plumbing. That's where you bring value to me and my company. So if you're interested, we've got a link down here. Click on it. It'll take you to the introduction course, the mini course, to let us know if we're right for you and let you know if you're right for us. This has got to be a win-win situation, and that's how we've built this. So click on the link down below, get the information, and let us know what you think. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber, and I'll see you on the next video or in class, unless you get flushed.